The DV-5A double interlock pre-action system is designed for use in applications such as refrigerated areas requiring the maximum degree of protection against inadvertent flooding from the sprinkler system piping. The heart of the system is the DV-5A deluge valve. When a fire is detected, the system opens the deluge valve, allowing water to travel to the automatic sprinklers to suppress the fire. The DV-5A's single moving part simplifies maintenance and provides dependable performance. The integrated alarm port provides a compact design. No additional check valve on top of the valve is needed. The DV-5A is part of Tyco's compact trim package, specifically designed for easy installation, access, and maintenance. The other key components of the actuation system are the electric fire detectors, the automatic sprinklers, the control panel, the dry pilot actuator, and the solenoid valve. Let's look at the system in operation. In the ready position, the sprinkler pipes contain compressed air, while water pressure in the DV-5A diaphragm chamber holds the valve closed against the water supply pressure. The double interlock requires two events to occur for the system to discharge during a fire. First, the electric detection system senses smoke, signaling the solenoid valve to open. Second, the automatic sprinkler heads will burst due to heat. The loss in air pressure opens the dry pilot actuator, releasing water from the diaphragm chamber. The higher pressure from the main water supply pushes the diaphragm open, activating the alarm, allowing water to flow to the sprinklers and suppressing the fire. Tyco also offers a double interlock electric option, which combines heat detection with a low air pressure switch to activate the system. The DV-5A valve is available in a range of sizes and connection types for wet actuation, single interlock dry actuation, single interlock electric actuation, double interlock electric pneumatic actuation, and double interlock electric actuation. The DV-5A's higher pressure rating and lower pressure drop allows water to travel further at specified system pressure for rapid fire protection. When it's time to reset the system, the DV-5A's external reset actuator saves time and labor by eliminating the need to open the valve and manually reposition a clapper or latch mechanism. The Tyco DV-5A double interlock pre-action system. Protection simplified.